Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome full body burn and tone. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with a little warm up with 5 big deep breaths. All right, inhale, in your nose, out your mouth. 2, 3, 4, last one, big one. And exhale, very good. Next, some overhead side bends, hands up, palms facing forward. You're going to go side to side as much as you comfortably can. Feeling a nice stretch here in your obliques. Reach up and over, very good. Nice straight back, don't scrunch, push your shoulders away from your ears. And 3, 2, 1, center and release, very good. Moving on with some high knees. All right, bringing your knee up to your chest, not your chest down here, all right? Straight back, using those core muscles. You can lean back a little bit as long as you have a nice straight spine. Very good, chin up, flex feet and go. You got this. And 3, 2, 1, and down, very good. Moving on to our workup, first up is a shoulder tap torso twist. All right, so hands out, and then we're gonna twist. You're gonna tap your shoulder as you twist here, coming back to center, and then the other side, very good, chin up. Breathing. Nice tight core, even though we're just, moving here. Nice tight, flat tummy. Sitting at the edge of your chair to help you move a little bit more, very good. Looking back as well as much as you can, so following and then looking back. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and center, very good. Next, a kick crunch, all right? Hand reaches for opposite foot, all right? Straight arms and then kicks out straight, very good. Again, using your core muscles to bring your foot up. All right, if you can't reach your foot, that's okay. Go for your shin or your knee, all right? You'll get stronger, more flexible over time. Just keep at it. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Shake it out. Next, a hip abduction, all right? Knee comes up, and we're gonna go out, and then in and down, all right? Very good. Make sure you're sitting at the edge of your seat so you have nice space. All right, really going out to the side as much as you can, up. Doesn't have to go too high, it can be just a little bit off the ground. All right, and then really go to the side. It's where you're gonna feel it on your outer thigh and your butt, all right? Coming back in, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and center, very, very good. Last but not least, we have a inside leg lift, all right? So one straightens, the one we're lifting up, all right? 30 seconds on one side, and you're going to lift up above your knee if you can, all right? Nice and straight, and then coming back down, all right? If not, just meet your knee, okay? Or try to reach over it, very good. And one at a time. Now, this is working your legs as well as your core and your back because you're trying to stay up as much as possible. Nice straight back, all right, staying up. All right, if you lean back, remember straight spine, that's fine. It'll work your core as well. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Wow, feel that one. All right, other side, straight and go. Awesome job. Nice tight core, squeezing that tummy, very good. Breathe. Awesome job. You got this, almost there. Nice flex foot. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Set 1, done and dusted. Great job. Going right into set 2, big breath. Starting with our shoulder tap, torso twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms stay out to the side. Kick crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake out those arms. Very good. Hip abduction. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. Shake it out. Inside leg lift, one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and together, other side. And 3, 2, 1, together. Celebrate. Great job. 2 sets done. I'm burning. I'm feeling it. 1 more to go. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms stay out to the side. Kick crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake out those arms. Very good. Hip abduction. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together. Very good. Shake it out. Inside leg lift, one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and together, other side. And 3, 2, 1, together. 3 sets of our workout done. Time for a little cool down, starting with 5 big breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. 3, 4. Last one, make it a good one. 5. Very good. Now for a seated straddle stretch. All right, wide legs. All right, wide as you can. You're gonna feel a nice hip stretch here as well. And then we're gonna reach for the floor gently at your own pace. All right, and then let your head hang, tuck in your chin, and enjoy. All right, rolling up one vertebrae at a time in 3, 2, 1, up. Rolling your shoulders, and then your head is last. And there we have it, our full body burn and tone, all while seated. I hope you loved it. I feel great. I'm on fire. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. What videos you would like to see more of? Where are you tuning in from? I love that we have people all over the world, so I'd love to see where you're at. And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.